Alright, so we're now at the center of Amsterdam. So you have to imagine this Amstel River connecting the countryside with the sea. And this whole area is kind of swampy. I already told you, Amsterdam is resting on wooden poles. How many wooden poles do you have under that palace over there? What do you think? 100. 100. Anybody more? 28. It's actually 13,569. A bit more. A lot of weight. At the time, that was the biggest non-religious building of the whole planet. The building over there. So people really like to show off at the time. Old City Hall burned down and they built this one. We swam from Catholic to Protestant, and a lot of these churches were Catholic before, but they swam from Catholic church to a Roman Reformed church, like the ones over here, the one right behind you. In the red light district, there's a place called Our Lord at the Attic. You don't see anything from the outside, but inside there's a big Catholic church, because people said we allow people to be Catholic, but we just don't want to see it. So it's behind the gable, you won't notice anything from the outside, and the inside is a beautiful church. So when this church over here turned from Catholic to Roman Reformed, one of the ladies was on the point of dying. She said, I'd rather be buried in the gutter than in that church, because she was a Catholic lady. And so they did. They buried her right here in the gutter. You're looking at her grave right here. It says here, on her request, the Gein Cornelia Arends was buried in the gutter in 1654. So, very stubborn lady, right?
You got the heart that is bigger than the sun. You got the smile that is wider than the fun. Whatever you imagine will come true. Whatever you wish upon a star will do. And there is only one thing you should really love. It is your heart when it sings up above. Hey you over there, it's time to get up and make the world shine. It's time to get back to feeling so fine. You can dance or sing, or you can sing or dance. You got to find the voice that was lost. You got to find the sparkle in the frost. You got to find the passion in the must. You got to find the light in the dust. You are beautiful and magical and wonderful. You can fly with a smiling heart. You are fabulous, incredible, amazing. And this is where your story will start. There is something over the rainbow. Can see it? There is something over the rainbow. Can you see it? It's you, it's you, it's you. You are over the rainbow. 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 There's a magic land waiting for you. There's a magic land waiting for you. Ahoo, aha, 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 ahoo, aha. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu hääleke laulda. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu hääleke laulda. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu hääleke laulda. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu süda saab.
Daar geen meetjes.
Hij wil weten dat je alles al in orde hebt.
Dat is niet gedaan. Niet dat. In het aankomend jaar mag je er niet meer liefde. Oh, wat doen we dan nou voor dit?
Nou, heet allemaal aan de. Ja, dat is spannen er niet op.